Did you know one of the most expensive movies ever made was destroyed by a single letter? In 1980, the film Caligula cost a staggering $17.5 million to produce. It featured A-list actors like Malcolm McDowell and Helen Mirren alongside real adult film stars. The mix of legitimate cinema and explicit content created something Hollywood had never seen before. But when the ratings board reviewed the final cut, they slapped it with an X rating. That single letter killed the movie instantly. Major theater chains across America refused to show X-rated films in their venues. The controversial epic that should have been a blockbuster could only play in a handful of adult theaters. Millions of dollars vanished overnight as audiences couldn't even find places to watch it. The production company went completely bankrupt from the financial disaster. All because one rating decision turned Hollywood's most ambitious project into box office poison. Sometimes the difference between success and failure is just one letter of the alphabet.